हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे इज़ 22 ऑफ नवंबर और आज भी थोड़ा लेट हो गया तो इसलिए लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग नहीं कर रहे डायरेक्ट वीडियो। सो येस, लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट हैपेंड टुडे। सो मतलब एकदम ओपन होते ही कल का वीडियो जाके देखिए कि मैंने बता दिया था कि 18,200 का जो पीई उसमें बाइंग प्राइस वाज अराउंड 88 टू 90 रुपीज़ और इन लोग का एफ का और प्रॉपडेक्स का दोनों का ही कॉल राइटिंग था। तो पहले एकदम स्मूथली नीचे आ गया और प्राइस ऑफ 18,200 पी अगेन वेंट जस्ट स्लाइटली अबव 90 रुपीज़। ओके, सो दैट्स वेयर दे स्टार्टेड जस्ट सिंपली क्लोजिंग। ठीक है, तो उसके बाद ऊपर आने लगा। तो यही हुआ कि मतलब ये देखिए स्कोर एकदम मतलब सडनली इधर से मतलब जंप टू 50। ओके, सो इट वाज बिलो जीरो एंड जंप टू 50 और इधर फिर निफ्टी भी बढ़ने लगा and then I took call buying positions and put writing positions. So put writing was being done till 18,250, so that's why I and some at 18,300, and that's why I took 18,250 as my put writing position. So if you go and check my order list, so everything is there. Okay, so and also I bought calls at the money, like it was at 18,200. Okay, so yes, that was the thing, like here and majorly why did I take, because today even like futures in futures also I mean long positions were forming and short positions were closing in the current monthly expiry. Okay, so this is the thing, like so this was all the updates for today. That is, I mean, at the very first scores were looking weak, but then suddenly the scores started jumping and BankNifty 42,400 short straddle was forming. Okay, so and that's why we saw BankNifty on both the side moves. I told this at 9:31 a.m. Okay, and yeah, market would be volatile today. And here you see 9:57. मैंने देखा कि futures में long हो रहा था. And that was mainly in Nifty. That's why you saw mainly Nifty going up, but Bank Nifty almost staying the same. Finally भी मतलब Nifty मतलब finally देखिए कि Nifty gave a very nice move at the end, but Bank Nifty मतलब वही के वही रह गया. Okay, so that was the reason. Like I mean कहाँ exactly मतलब इन लोग futures में active है वो भी पता चल जाता है if you can do futures analysis, but that is very difficult. I can again say it requires it's not like some algorithm. Sometimes even it requires experience to analyze the positions. Okay, so yeah, I bought calls and I told them at 10:10 a.m. But then basically the pain was that throughout the day I was expecting like to I took my call buying at 18,200 at an average price of I think 93 rupees. So I was expecting to close it at 105. There were moves that was coming, like here there was a sudden spike. So in this spike the premium should have gone to 100, above 100, but the premium went till 99. Then I again got to know that it will come down, and again it came down. But I stayed. I did not close my positions. When it further came down, I further bought calls, okay, and averaged it out, and when it finally gave the up move, I closed it. So I had confidence in my analysis. That's why I did not close my positions. I was though sometimes I mean in the middle, like even at this point I was at a lot of pain, but yes, I knew that my analysis is correct. Futures में long हो रहा है, इधर put writing हो रहा है, finally तो इसको ऊपर जाना ही है. And yeah, it went. Okay, so if you saw that, I mean from 10:10 a.m. Till 3 p.m. I was sitting with my position because I had confidence in my analysis. I was sitting with my positions. Okay, so sometimes it was giving me profit, but yes, very less profit. So I knew that I mean क्योंकि मतलब ये जो मतलब मेरे साथ जो positions बना है, बड़े players भी मेरे साथ positions बना है, they have like I mean 500 to 1000 crores of positions. Okay, so मेरा तो कुछ भी नहीं उनके सामने. तो if I am not gaining a very nice profit, so then they are also not gaining. So that's why मैं मतलब उधर बैठा था कि मतलब इन लोगों को तो गेन करना है तो मैं देख लूँगा, ठीक है. तो यही था आज का मतलब. दैट्स व्हाई आई केप्ट माय पोजीशंस ओपन एंड फाइनली लाइक even after here I would have not closed my positions at the end. I would have like my profit would have crossed 70k. So yes, but let's not regret it. So yes, I have made 21k today. So yeah, that's well good enough for me. So yes, this is where we got to know the score suddenly jumping up, and we got to know that yes, now the call writing positions they were trying to close and new fresh put writing positions were getting formed. Okay, and yes, that's it. And for bank nifty, you know, like for 4200 for 400 short straddle, and so bank nifty score almost like went up and down, and similarly bank nifty also showed the similar thing. Like I mean, we got to know it in the morning itself for bank nifty, like at 9:31 a.m. Okay, so not a very big deal for that. And yes, so now what's next? So next is, let's go to this. So you see futures long हुआ है, ठीक है. तो ये जो futures long हुआ है, that is mostly in the December expiry. Okay, don't think it's in the November expiry. So futures long हुआ है और futures short close हुआ है. तो ये मतलब हम लोग मतलब if you can analyze these things during the intraday, then I mean you would be like profitable most of the days. So yes, the thing is that I mean if you have checked my order list every day, so you have noticed one thing, like I don't follow any strategy or something. Okay, मुझे जिस तरफ direction मिल जाता है तो मैं ले लेता हूँ उस तरफ position. Like today market would be going up, I took put writing and call buying position, so both positions long. ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब थोड़ा दूर जाके आयरन कॉन्डोर ये वो मतलब I don't think like those can give me a nice profit, but yes, they can give a nice overall profit. Like you see, I started with 3 lakhs rupees 5 months back. Okay, so if I do those strategies, like I mean I would see that I am wasting my time. Like if I do some other job, I will be getting more than that. So that's why like I had to like go with one directional thing. So if you can see that I mean you're getting the direction correctly, so yes, go for it. Okay, otherwise you have to apply strategies. Okay, so and then you have to adjust your strategies and adjust your positions mainly. So yes, now let's come to the option index. So heavy put writing positions have been made. Even like Propdex, they had put writing positions tomorrow, yesterday, and today also they built some put writing positions. But now let's come to the call writing position. So so for a very long time, when you saw that Nifty was consolidating here, if you had looked at the volume on 18,200C, you would have seen that the volume was very high. 18,200C volume was very high. Okay, so that was the indication that they were closing their call writing positions at 18,200, and that also gave me the confidence to stay with my positions, though sometimes the indexes were coming down. Yes, so that's the thing. And yes, they have started doing I mean they have started closing their call writing positions, but again I would like to say that don't just neglect. So you see that Propdex also, they have also closed their call writing positions, but this amount of call writing positions, that is also not a very like very less, or I mean you should neglect it. So this is also a very nice call writing amount of positions. So that's and also like we have our monthly expiry. So market will be volatile. This shows that market will be volatile. Market can't just simply, like if you are expecting now that market would just simply just go green, so no, again market would face resistance. So let's discuss where it can. And yes, so mostly like since put writing has been done, and also let me tell you something, they have done some call buying. You see, this you see, you will notice that some positions have been closed here. Okay, so call writing positions, but not in huge quantity. Call buying positions, but not in huge quantity. They have made some call buying at 18,200 CE. The price is around 90 rupees. Okay, so first they started buying at 97 rupees. That's why I bought at 95, looking at them. Then it came down to less than 90. Then they started buying at 90. Okay, they started averaging, and I also started averaging with them at 90. Okay, then when it further came down, they started averaging at 86 or 87. Then I just bought at 85, and I also averaged out with them, and finally I got the profit. So this is how it went throughout the day. So they have bought calls. So their 18,200 calls, their average price will be at around like you see 90 rupees. Okay, so 87 to 90 rupees, that's what their average price would be. So if you are lucky, if price comes down below that tomorrow, so you can buy. Okay, so for now, yes, they have done call buying at 18,200. So yes, and these are the futures put long positions. Yes, they are for hedging, and yes. So now let's discuss where have they done these put short positions. Okay, so yeah, so 18,200 heavy put shorts, 18,250 and 18,300 some put writing. Okay, and also below 18,100, 18,150 also they have done put writing. Okay, and yes, and also if you notice, like 18,300 also call writers are going out. So 18,400 also call writers are escaping. So maybe like 18,500 and above we can have some resistance, but let's see tomorrow what fresh positions are getting formed. But if you see here, 18,400 also put writers were closing. So so maybe like at 18,300 again it might get resistance, it might come down and then again go down. So yes, but overall the put writing positions have been done, so you can take the advantage of put writing tomorrow, but be careful, both side moves can come. And let's come to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, okay, sorry, let's go to the options here. Bank Nifty mainly 42,400, both side positions have been formed. Okay, 42,400, you see both side positions have been formed. But yes, again at 42,500 put writing has been done, and 42,500 also there has been call writing been done. So so you see that 42,500 again for Bank Nifty would be like somewhat would act as resistance. So as we discussed, like you see that these levels are very well working. So above we have 42,547 or 550 as resistance, and below we have 42,000 as support. So this is working nice for Nifty and for Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, again if it goes down, I am expecting again some resistance at 18,335, but let's see. So tomorrow at this region 18,335 it can like go and consolidate, or it can find resistance there, and after that if it goes above that, then we can see the bull move that we were expecting here. So that's it for this video. I think I have discussed. Oh yes, one more thing, like FIIs are selling, so that's a very big question, why? And yes, futures long they have done today, so that's why this is in green. And yeah, that's it I think for today. So yes, XGS Nifty if it's at around 18,336, so market may slightly like gap up, or it might open at 250, or so where it ends like 250 or 270 at around like that, and it might go up and find resistance at 18,335. But let's see tomorrow what happens. That is what I'm expecting. So yes, that's it for today, and I think yeah, everything has been discussed, and also VIX is dropping, so that is another problem for the option buyers. So please be careful. That's why like when I bought options today, so the selling 18,200, the selling was giving a very nice, suddenly like there was drop in the premiums. Okay, so suddenly there was a when this move came, when this candle suddenly came, during this candle, the 18,200 P, it was above 70, and it suddenly went below, like below 60. So there was a sharp decline, but there wasn't a sharp increase in the call, premium. Okay, no, so like the 80,200 call premium was touching 80, was at 80, 102 rupees at around this level, but when it went to this level, also it went to 99. This is just because the VIX is dropping, so that's why like option buyers are finding out a very difficult time. Yes, but option sellers are it's a good time for them. So that's it for today. So we'll see tomorrow what happens. And yes, so yeah, thanks for watching. So please do like the video for such information, and yes, trade safely, and see you in the next one. Bye.